Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie, and as you can see, if you've watched my last few videos, I've shortened my nails. I've actually had the Cleo color on for, it's been a while, and they were long, and I just thought I wanted to start them all over again. So I cut them off with the Cleo color on, and it didn't chip or anything, so I just left it on, and they've grown quite a bit because I really shortened them down. So today I am using this open Oasis, just like this seafoam green with really pretty gold specks in it. I've been looking at this one, and I'm finally going to put it on, especially while they're short, because they'll have less chance of breaking. So, here it is again. I don't know if you can see it very good, but it's super pretty. Hopefully the dogs, Lulu, or dog. Oh, good. I was wondering if it was going to be sheer. Hopefully they don't bark. We do have a cat here now, and that's, I don't know if you heard her meow, but it's my youngest daughter's cat, because she got all moved in. I mentioned in my last video that she was coming. We've just had a lot going on, so I'm sorry I haven't filmed for a while. Isn't that pretty? And I'm so excited I can use one strip for 2 nails since they're so short now. This is not thick, like dried out thick, just not as thin as like the jellies, I would say. I like it. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get back into filming regularly again. We've just got some major health issues, and appointments coming up, so I've just been preoccupied with that. You know how you get where you just don't really want to do a lot of things, but once we're in the, I don't know, safe zone, I can't really go into detail right now about it. It's a little frightening right now. Anyway, so that's why I haven't been filming that much. Just haven't been in the right headspace, I guess. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, still watch all the grandkids and all that. What do you think about all the launches we've been I'm not with Color Street anymore. Launches Color Street's been having. I feel like it's just been a lot. And I know they do that. One, I don't know if anybody saw, there's been a few sneak peeks of the holiday sets, and I'm excited for them. Like the Christmas, I'll just say Christmas. Yeah, I am super excited for those. They're my jam. I can't remember what. It's someone's. I think it was a VIP group. Someone got excited and posted them in there. Cut down right there. So I'm going to try to upload this so it's all ready to go for Saturday, October 5th. It's Friday evening now. What time is it? Oh, almost 11 o'clock p.m. Look at this. I just love this. It's so pretty. Still gotta do my thumbs. I only took out one of these, hoping that I can use, it's the large thumb on both thumbs, because the smaller one, I really gotta stretch it, and I just don't want to risk ripping it. I think these will fit, or this will fit both thumbs. Where is, oh, here we go. Oh, goodness gracious. Seems like those are getting worse. Those little tags, like they go in spurts of them being big and not really having them at all, it seems like. Oh. Don't use your thumb as a tool. Oh, I hope I have been in film. I mean, in, oh my gosh, I can't even think what I'm trying to say. In screen and frame. I'm so rusty, my goodness. Okay, there it is. What's it again? Open Oasis. I think it's still available. I'm not 100% sure, but if it is, whoops, if it is, you're gonna want to get this. It's just super pretty. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.